What's up guys, welcome back to another vlog. So recently I went to the worst Burmese restaurant here in Singapore. So yeah, enjoy the vlog and then I'll tell you guys more about the restaurant at the outro. Bye guys. Okay.
GoPro.
Damn. Cheers bro.
Cheers.
And record.
You can only record your voice.
Yeah.
Recognize your voice.
And recording.
It's still. Stop recording.
Ding ding ding. Stop recording.
Where was this?
At her place, close here.
Oh yeah, the guy with tattoo.
Okay. Alright, the woman in action. There's a lot of dog.
I've had a few.
Currently accompanying Ellie for her photo shoot with the rest of the gang. You know. All right. Some tea, Burmese tea.
Whatever you want. No.
Most of their dishes tasted like vinegar. It is not worth the price.
You mind if I play your chickens or you want to have it?
Oh no, it's fine.
I don't think I'm not going to give her salad.
Siam sama?
Alright. Cheers to the only person who's drinking. Cheers. Kidding, water. Wow. Yes, that's the way. We drink later.
Wait for a tasting right
Try first, yeah?
Trying out the Burmese laksa. Oh no, khao sue.
Okay. Creamy, not too creamy, but there's a bit of tangy flavors to it. Right, something that I like. It balances out the salty and savoriness to it.
Right.
Just that I have more bias towards like salty and savory kind of food. But overall, it's still okay. It's still a good dish. Perfect for the cold weather. But it's super hot today.
Not for Singapore then.
Yeah. Now I'll give this 7.5 out of 10.
Alright. For me, it's 2 out of 10. cheers, cheers. All right, this restaurant goes by the name of Burma Social, and disclaimer, they don't just do Burmese food, they do like Southeast Asian cuisine. They have like Vietnamese, Laos, Thailand, Indian, and Myanmar. So yeah, and I keep seeing a lot of ads about this restaurant, right? Everyone is hyping about it. Everyone heard about it, and yeah, according to some of my friends, the food is good there. So, as a Burmese, yeah, and when I heard someone doing like fine dining food for Burmese cuisine, I was like so happy, so excited to try it out. So yeah, I organized with a bunch of friends to go there, and then yeah, my experience was just terrible. Yeah, let me just go through everything, right? So when you first start off, when you go in, the vibe is there, right? Well, everything looks good. Everything is just what you expected of a fine dining restaurant. Yeah, everything is just incredible. Like the decoration, the cutleries that they use, the plates, the plating, the cups, everything, right? It feels very Burmese to me. Like after 15 minutes in, I'm still very impressed. And then they serve like water, Burmese tea. And I'm like, oh, all right, nice, this is good, blah blah blah. I'm still smiling, right? And then I order most of the item. I think most of the item that are Burmese food, Burmese cuisine, I order it, because I just want to try it out, right? After that, the dishes came, and then first one, I was like, nah, this is something wrong, right? Okay, second dish came, tried it. Nah, something's wrong, man. And then third dish came, like, nah, this is not for me, and this is not for everyone, to be honest. I don't know, maybe they adjusted to the local liking, but everything about every food that they brought out is not Burmese, right? Yeah, I'm talking about the taste, right? The presentation, the plating is all amazing, right? The ingredients looks incredible, but yeah, the taste is just, yeah, if I have to give a rating, it's like 2 out of 10, honestly. So yeah, I was really disappointed. Yeah, I would never go there again, but to be honest with you guys, that restaurant do serve a lot of other cuisines, a lot of other nationality dishes. So yeah, maybe a lot of people love that, but as a Burmese, eating Burmese food, it was just terrible. This is like, I don't like to bring down people or like talk bad about restaurants, but yeah, I'm just being honest. I think this is one of the first few times, maybe 2-3 second times that I'm talking bad about something, right? And yeah, it's quite, yeah, it's bad. So yeah, and the price you guys will be paying for is unjustifiable, right? It's just really expensive. You would expect proper food. Yeah, from my guess, they don't make a lot, or maybe they batch and they keep it for long. I don't know. It's something about the dishes, the taste is just off. And yeah, it was, yeah, when I eat it, I can straight away tell you guys that this is not Burmese food. Like, you can pretty much let any Burmese try and they will say the same. I'm 100% confident that they will say the same. So yeah, that's just my my take on it. Yeah, I would not be going there to have Burmese food ever again. Yeah, maybe some other cuisine, but I like the place. They decorated with like pecan interior, and the platings, the cups, everything is just so Burmese, but the food is not Burmese at all. At all. So disappointed. Yeah, I got my hopes up when I saw the ads, serving Burmese food in a, middle of the town, very popular place, the heart of culinary cuisine, Tanjong Pagar, blah 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 blah. Yeah, it was terrible. Yeah, I don't know how many times I'm gonna repeat terrible, but yeah, that was just my experience. Anyway, yeah, that is it. Well, in the next video, I bring you guys to a place where you guys can have proper Burmese food. So yeah, go check that out as well. I'll link that up here as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye guys.